I was searching about how to plant apple trees, but
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
so I decided to ask Gaia that does it really possible? Is it possible to put an apple in the soil and it will take root and grow?
No. It is not possible to simply put a whole apple in the soil and expect it to take root and grow into a tree. Apple trees do not propagate from whole apples. Instead, they are grown from apple seeds or through grafting techniques
A few moments later.
to grow into healthy trees.
Then I ask another question. Is it possible to put an apple in the water and it will take root and grow?
No.
Bruh.
It is not possible to put an apple in water and expect it to take root and grow into an apple tree. Apples, like most fruit trees, do not propagate by placing them in water. They require specific conditions and methods for successful propagation.
So how can I grow an apple tree?
If you want to grow an apple tree, there are two common methods, one growing from seeds. Apple seeds can be collected from the fruit, cleaned, and then planted in suitable soil. However, it's important to note that apple seeds do not produce trees identical to the parent tree. They are the result of sexual reproduction and exhibit genetic variation. Growing apple trees from seeds can also take several years before they start bearing fruit. 2. Grafting. Grafting is the most common method used to propagate apple trees. It involves taking a cutting scion from a desired apple tree variety and attaching it to a rootstock. The rootstock provides the root system and is typically a different apple tree variety that has desirable qualities such as disease resistance or dwarfing abilities. Grafting allows for the production of genetically identical trees to the desired apple variety.
So don't waste your apples and your time anymore. Thanks for watching.